Hi, this is Adam from Tyms. Let's look into multiple inventory adjustments on the Tyms software. When making adjustments to your inventory, you can now select multiple items, enabling bulk changes with ease and significantly reducing the time spent managing stock levels. Start by navigating to the Inventory module on the home page and click on Adjustment. Select the New button to create a new inventory adjustment. Input your reason for the inventory adjustment. You can provide a detailed description of the adjustment for clarity. Next, you'll need to select your inventory account and the associated cost account. Proceed to select the inventory items you want to adjust. You can easily add multiple items that require adjustment. Enter the stock adjustment values for the items. The system will automatically calculate the change in stock for you. Add any additional information you need and take a moment to review your records. When you're ready, proceed to save. Now you can see an overview of the adjustments you made. This makes it easy to keep track of your inventory changes and ensure everything is accurate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.